Welcome to our virtual tour, Security Secure Building. We're delighted that you could join us. If you'd like to jump to another section, simply click on the next section marker. In addition to staying healthy, feeling safe and secure is one of our most basic needs. The good thing is that you can build security. Today, we'll show you how that's done. For us at Schüco, secure building means developing solutions which can protect people and property in buildings. Using aluminum, steel, and PVCU systems. We'll take a closer look at three areas here. Security in the face of danger, thanks to fire and smoke doors, as well as facades which prevent the spread of fire. Then, we'll look at everyday security, thanks to Simply Smart add-ons. By this, we mean additional fittings for our window systems, which make our lives easier and more secure. And also thanks to burglar-resistant constructions. Then we'll move on to making buildings secure in extreme situations, such as gunfire or explosions, with high-security solutions from Selzer. You can also look forward to an update on our digital solutions for the inspiration and design phase. Let's start with products which are particularly important to us because they save our lives and protect our property in emergencies. Welcome to the Schüco FireStop Fire and Smoke Protection Platform. Maximum security does not mean you have to compromise on excellent design. Take a look at this. You really can't tell that this is a smoke door, or that this stylish door can effectively prevent the spread of flames. In fact, from 30 to 90 minutes. Regardless of what type of building you're planning, our FireStop platform offers doors and glazing to meet all of your requirements, without compromising on design. And it's based on one single construction. We integrate the security functions inside the door, in precisely the way you need. The Schüco FireStop platform is your invisible guardian angel. And it can be used both inside the building and for the outer envelope in the future too. Let's look at some of the highlights in detail.
The Schüco FireStop platform offers advantages across the board. The fittings can be installed in a concealed position and therefore be completely invisible when the door is closed. Its unique open profile design allows you to insert and mount components such as insulators and fittings, like this concealed hinge, without any significant effort. You can also upgrade or dismantle the platform at any time. And the best part is, this can be done without any mechanical processing, which is why the fire protection certificate remains valid. You can do this during operation, directly after installation, or even after many, many years. Whether fire or smoke protection, 30 or 90 minutes, the basic work steps always remain the same. This makes FireStop really easy to plan, manufacture, and install. Now, let me show you something. Although I can see the fire directly, the FireStop door protects me from most of the heat. It contains the fire, so people can evacuate safely, and firefighters can enter the building. The Schüco FireStop fire protection platform reliably protects health, life, and also your property.
This is a truly impressive solution that effectively prevents the spread of fire and smoke on one floor. When it comes to fire, however, it's just as important to stop it from spreading vertically, that is, over several floors. This is where our fire-resistant facade comes into play. If the fire protection measures in a building don't work, then fire can quickly become a threat to everyone, especially in skyscrapers. The official regulations and standards still don't sufficiently record or uniformly regulate the spread of fire by means of, through, or along a curtain wall. At Schüco, we provide our own systems that make buildings even more safe and secure. with our fire-resistant, fully integrated spandrel panel for the FWS 50 mullion transom system. We believe that safety and security are the responsibility of everyone involved in a building project. We take this responsibility seriously and lead the way in our field of specialization, the curtain wall. Because this is so important to us, we are constantly building on these experiences and this mission, so we can apply them to other products. Over the next few months, you can expect more fire protection highlights, such as the new RC2 fire door, new solutions for heavy-duty constructions, and even more external applications. And because safety and security are not only important in dangerous situations, but in our everyday lives too, we have yet another concept for you.
For us, everyday safety and security starts with the smallest components, the fittings in a window. Our extensive range of Simply Smart fittings therefore offer a number of products for even more security and comfort. These are our new Simply Smart add-ons, components that make our everyday lives much more comfortable. Today, we have these 3 add-ons: our integrated vent brake, the tilt before turn handle, and our limiting stay for safety barrier units. We've all been there before. You want to air the room quickly and open the window fully. Then a brief gust of wind blows it shut again. It can be really annoying, but we have a solution for this, our integrated vent brake. This makes sure the vent stays put where you want it. Even when it's really windy, the window won't close when you want to ventilate your room. But our range of handles has even more to offer. After all, it's especially important that we protect our little ones. Our tilt before turn handle allows the window to only tilt first. It can only be opened fully with a key. This offers safety where it is needed most. Now, we'd like to show you our limiting stay. This meets the recognized technical regulations for safety barrier units. The window opens up to 120 millimeters for maximum safety. You therefore don't need any additional spandrel safety barrier or French balcony. The design with lock allows the vent to be opened up to 90 degrees. This means the windows can even be cleaned from the inside, by trained personnel, of course. That's how we offer a fully tested safety barrier system. A small add-on with a huge impact. And there are a number of other Simply Smart add-ons. You can expect even more convenient and secure products. But completely different things can threaten our safety and security in everyday life too, such as burglars. Anyone who's been burgled before will confirm that the fear of it happening a second time takes a long time to pass. We'll show you how you can prevent this and make sure it doesn't happen again. Using burglar-resistant window, door, and sliding systems from Schüco. This is how you can significantly reduce the risk of a break-in in apartments, homes, as well as commercial buildings. Our products fulfill much more than just standards and legal requirements. They give you the secure feeling of protection. In general, the higher the resistance class, the better the protection. Burglars tend to give up if it's too difficult for them to break in.
Whether it's PVCU, aluminum, or steel, our portfolio covers resistance class RC2 at the very minimum, and this is completely concealed. This applies to doors in emergency and escape routes too. And if you want, we can provide even more security for you. With our 80 UP door platform, we go one step further. With increased burglar resistance to RC3, fully tested and certified in line with the latest stricter test procedures. And as you are perhaps already aware, 80 UP to RC3 level is even available with our zero level threshold. so you can combine comfort and security without compromise. And we have even more innovations in this regard. For example, the DCS Smart Touch, our new access control solution, now with remote access too. We hope you like them as much as we do. We also hope to give you a clear overview of burglar resistance at Schüco. Now let's take it up another level and move on to the area of high security. Schüco subsidiary Seltzer offers maximum security in extreme situations, when it really matters. We protect people and property, secure industrial sites, entrance areas, and embassies. And of course, private homes too, fully tailored to your requirements. Let's start with our finished building for high security, the Seltzer Guardhouse. This can be customized to suit your needs and requirements. Our modular concept, coupled with your individual planning options, gives you maximum design freedom. How do we do this? We can freely combine 2 or more modules to give you flexibility and security in one product. You are free to choose the size and materials, windows, doors, wall and roof constructions, and even the interior design, to make it truly yours. As you can see, we can accommodate your completely personal requirements. The focus is always on holistic security. This is the only way we can ensure protection against break-ins, gunfire, and explosions. And the most important thing is that these resistance classes can be combined for the long-term view. This offers even more security and additional comfort, of course. Although everything is designed to be completely individual, we provide you with the finished guardhouse ready for use. Thanks to predefined section details, it can be installed on-site in a matter of days. And I can reveal to you now that we'll be launching even more products for our high security portfolio over the course of the year. In addition to the guardhouse, we'll unveil highly secure windows, doors, and facades. Fortunately, this is where Seltzer is an expert too.
Now we're moving on to a material that is innately secure: steel. If you're looking for something durable, slimline and stylish, and want to retain a classic building style, then steel is perfect. The Janisol Art 2.0 window system and the Visfire EI30 fire-resistant facade. In all honesty, we're pretty proud of our Janisol Art 2.0 window system, as it's not just the range of opening types that make it so flexible. Regardless of whether you choose steel, stainless steel, or corten steel, we offer a wide range of glazing beads to suit your needs. We also meet increased security requirements with burglar-resistant solutions to RC2. This window is perfectly suited to renovations which need to comply with listed building regulations, such as historical buildings and classic industrial buildings. It offers considerably improved sound reduction, better thermal insulation, and is completely watertight. The building also looks as timeless as before. And now on to our new Visfire EI30 fire-resistant facade. With its fire resistance class of EI30, it is ideally suited as a fire-resistant curtain wall or as a partition wall indoors and outdoors. The glass is also available in impressive sizes, with insulating glass up to 1500 by 3300 millimeters, as large as you can see here, with single glazing up to 2300 by 4600 millimeters, for example in building interiors. And the whole system can support weights up to 1.8 tons. Inner and outer corners between 90 and 180 degrees are classified. The modular system principle allows us to put together a customized product that meets all your requirements. The wide range of profiles offers the perfect slimline design and the right structural properties for any application. 50 and 60 millimeter face widths can be easily combined. And regardless of whether you choose a standard system or one with fire protection or burglar resistance, the appearance remains the same. You can even design the T-joints to be welded, pushed in, or mounted. But that's not all. We'll be unveiling even more steel highlights as part of the Innovation Now updates. And like always, we want to round things off with another digital innovation. The Digital Product Database from Schüco. As the architect, you can use this to easily find, compare, and select products in your planning environment. Let me show you how you can make your day-to-day work so much easier. If you know all of your requirements, use our intuitive search, which includes a filter function. We'll then show you the perfect solution. If several solutions come into play, our new unique product comparison tool provides you with all the information at a glance. It shows similarities and differences. All you need to do is decide, or just use it for inspiration. For even more convenience, we also have our favorites function. You and your colleagues can use this to save and document work internally. Then, all the information you need is available at the touch of a button. You can also share this information easily with colleagues. And you can integrate our digital product catalog directly in your planning software, such as Revit. To do this, all you need is a plugin. You can decide the level of detail and information you really need. 3 functions are available to allow you to integrate everything easily. Load material. The materials library has everything you need. There, you will find the transferred product with all its properties. Create 3D objects. It's easy to generate your own 3D models to your exact specifications, pared down to the necessary product information. Load BIM model. Transfer the existing Schüco BIM model directly to the planning software. This allows data to be transferred seamlessly without any sources of error. And if you want a metal fabricator to finalize your configuration, that's no problem. Simply share the required data via the Schüco BIM Manager. In addition to the unit geometry, you can also show additional BIM standards. In Schüco, the metal fabricator can automatically create all the desired units and has access to valuable information from the 3D model. If the client is looking for reliable data, such as insulation values, acoustics, or resistance classes, then you as the architect can synchronize this live. Why not try out the Schüco Catalog and Schüco BIM Manager digital solutions for yourself?
So, we hope we've given you a good overview today. We've talked about our products, which provide additional safety and security in the areas of fire and smoke protection, for everyday security with Simply Smart add-ons and burglar resistance, as well as high security. We've also looked at digital solutions, which make the inspiration and design phase easier. You can look forward to updates on our topics of health, smart, and security as part of Innovation Now. All of the information you need can be found on our website. For now, I'll say goodbye. Stay healthy and safe.